So can you repeat what you just told me? What you're doing?
You're a lot of freaking trouble.
You love me anyway.
I don't know where these heads came from. I'm not sure what they are. I don't know if they're some Chinese head or what. I'm not sure. Anyway, I finally found, it's got some bad valves, so I finally found the valves on a site that actually, I found the number on the valve. So I found somebody that has the valves. So now I'm checking all the guides because it's got these two intake guides are just wasted for some reason. I don't know why. So
What makes an intake gap? What it makes it wasted?
that's just worn
So-
real heavy. You can see how that valve moves up and down.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to do that.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, it's bad. See, this is the one that's not near.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
pretty good shape. It doesn't move near as much.
Okay. So is
Yeah,
that what that little gizmo is there?
Yeah, it's a dial bore gauge for valve guides.
Okay.
Anyway, it's got some. For some reason, it's got some intake guides that are really not in good shape. I don't have a microphone on, so I don't know if you're getting all that.
I'm hoping I am. That's why I've got the phone real close to you.
Anyway, this head has two intake guides that are wasted. I need to check the other one.
So what's all this?
This?
Mm-hmm.
This is the setup, and this sits here.
Oh, okay.
That holds them different size mandrels for different size valve guides.
Okay.
I mean, we got, this is like a 1/4 inch. This is 8mm 5/16. This is 11/32. That's 3/8. Different size guides.
Okay.
Hopefully that's the only two guides that are bad, but we'll see. It's kind of strange that it's got, for whatever reason, it's got two intake guides that are just all out of whack.
Were they having troubles with the engine before? Is that why it's here?
This is the one with the broken crankshaft.
Ah, this is the 2 one. Okay. I keep looking over here.
I'm
checking. Look over here.
I'm checking the top of it.
I want to see it.
What do you think about this?
I don't know. It went all the way through.
This one's kind of big. So it's got three guides I'm going to change.
Okay.
Yep.
3.
Yep, 3. I need to get these guides out and see if we'll have to put that order in tomorrow. It's not going to make any difference, so I'll have to get these guides out and see. I may have something to put back in, I may not.
Okay.
I have some miscellaneous bronze guides. It'd be nice if they were all on one head. Or bad.
You're going to surface this one?
Probably.
Is that just sticker?
Something that digested something. That's where it digested some parts. You can see it reversion. It sucked it back up and got in this one too.
Mm. Okay. And you think all of that's a result of the two-part,
I don't know what
two-piece
caused that. That could have
crankshaft?
been something else. Wasn't because of the crank, I don't think.
Okay.
Probably do.
So what is this?
I'm having to make some valve guides to fit some goofy heads that I've got in here that got a goofy OD on the guide. So instead of them being 502, the valve guide OD, These need to be 508, so I'm having to take some 545s and set them down to 508.
But you only have to do 3 of them, right?
Yep, you are correct.
So what is that bar sitting on? Or that tube?
What is what?
What's the bar it's sitting on?
You mean that mandrel?
What's holding it?
It's a valve guide mandrel.
Okay.
It's a pilot. It's a valve guide pilot for like grinding seats.
Okay.
Close.
How far off are you?
About a thousandth. Like I said, it doesn't take much to. I think I'm gonna leave that one like that.
You done?
I'm done with that one.
2 more to go?
Yep. Are you tired of standing here or something?
Good job.
Are you tired of standing here?
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, nobody's keeping you here.
I know.
Hey, buddy.
Just wanted to get one of them done.
Well, I'm not done with it. I still got to shorten it. But that'll be the last step.
Okay. But you'll shorten it when it's in the...
I'm going to shorten it in here because it's easier.
Okay.
But I got to cut the other two, the ODs
size?
down. Yeah.
Okay. How short are you going to make it?
Same length as this guide.
Oh. You going to put a little stopper on it?
See how easy that was?
Mm-hmm.
Shorten it in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't need to use a little grinder thing on it?
Grinder thing? What are you talking about?
That in your hand?
File?
Okay.
It's called a file. Philo.
Okay.
Philo Beto. What?
Nothing. That it?
That's it.
Good job.
Got new guides made.
Yeah. And you couldn't find those online easily?
They've got a goofy OD on them.